Hello friends, my name is SuNN and I'm a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Mostly I demonstrate online, but 3 times a year I host a one-day in-person event at a local venue here in Kelowna, BC. I call it Crafting at the Lake House, and this series has become a fan favorite here on YouTube. Now I've been asked to sell the written tutorial of all 14 projects, so there is a PayPal link in the description box below. PayPal will direct you to a download site after payment where you can download the tutorials immediately. One more special mention, I have a limited number of event bags left over. If you'd like to be a part of this exclusive crafting event and have a special bag, please use the link below to fill out the form to get one. Now, if there is no link, I've been sold out. Anyway, there are 14 projects to share with you, so I better get started. Remember to like this video if you like it and subscribe to get notified when another video comes out. Hello and welcome to card number 9 of Crafting at the Lake House. I have before me the Love for You dies. I'm using basic white thick cardstock for the card base, Flirty Flamingo cardstock for one of the die cuts, basic white cardstock again for one of the die cuts, and vellum cardstock. So I have the mixed decorative masks here. This is the quatrefoil design, and I'm sliding in my card base inside this little pocket. Now I made this so that it was easy for the attendees to use. I just used painter's tape and a laminated small grid mat, and now all they had to do is slide their card base in, like I said, and use my blending brushes. And of course we're using Flirty Flamingo and Mango Melody. Those two colors really blend very easily together. It's probably one of my favorite color combinations. I also like Granny Apple Green and Shaded Spruce as a color combination, but these are my go-to sort of lighter ones. So I put a sort of oval shape with the Mango Melody, and then I'm going around the entire card base with Flirty Flamingo ink. So once that is all done, we can pull out our card base and you'll be able to see a very soft imprint, and the quatrefoil design is right on the card. So really easy. So here is my baby boho blue Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, and I am die cutting the For You, and that's the shadow and the scripty word. Now I used adhesive sheet behind the white scripty word die, and here we are with the vellum, and that is the double shadow. So there's three scripty words, I guess you could say. One is fine, one is medium, and then this one is for sure the shadow of the Love for You dies. I'm a big sucker for words, so that or die cut words, so that you don't have to. You can play around with backgrounds with this sort of thing, and the words are already there for you. So I have taken the backing off of the adhesive sheet. That basically the scripty white is a sticker now. So I'm placing it on the Flirty Flamingo, the first shadow. I guess that's what they call it. It's the base there. And then I'm going to do the U. And again, you can see how easily it is I just pop out the negative bits of the word. And of course, I'm using my Take Your Pick tool. If you don't have a Take Your Pick tool, I would suggest adding it to your tool base, your tool accessories or whatever, because it is very, very handy. I use it all the time. All right, and now I'm putting the U down on the U shadow. And I feel like I could have left it just with these two words if I wanted, but since there's the double shadow, I decided to go ahead and use the double shadow. So I flipped these pieces over and I put mini Stampin' dimensionals on the back side of them. So I feel like it was important for you here to be up off of the vellum so that the vellum didn't get lost. And I also put mini dimensional, or actually regular, mini dimensionals on the back side of the vellum as well, so that I was able to put that up above the decorative inking on my card base. You don't want things to get lost. You want them to stand out. This is a very simple card, and sometimes simple cards are a little bit more exacting. You need to really think about how the sentiment is going to play out. I think that was the perfect choice to use all three and to have them dimensionally adhered. And now I am putting on the loose daisy embellishments. I'm not 100% sure if these are still available in our mini catalog, but I will link to them for sure, and you can find out. Put a little dot of glue, and here comes my take your pick tool, and I put one little daisy right in the center, which I think is super cute. I folded the card base and I burnished it well, and that is my card for today. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.